Kulish puni vibro season part ka result bami puni minta kasih pokok official website Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC. The result of the interview for the post of junior divisional accountant under the administrative control of the Director of Account and Treasury Meghalaya December 2020 conducted by the Commission on 13 and 14 March 2024 is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate, candidate Kilong, Kenny Nongrum on reserve, Philbert War on reserve, Joy Far Jones Dhar on reserve, Generous Man Tongper on reserve, Nathaniel Majau on reserve, Maye Benson Marwanyang on reserve, Dathmus Kham Mwar on reserve, Forbi Liti Kharbandai on reserve, Dorin Nongrum on reserve, Da Unishwa Lingdo on reserve, Shimon Nongrum Shulai Khasian Jentia, Kamper Ringsai Khasientia, Vicky Rabaha Order ST, Lawrence Collins Marwanyang Khasientia, Marti Talang Khasientia, Batainam Thaba Khasientia, Peter Johnson Kharbani Khasientia, Mark Hama Kupar Nongbri Khasientia, Benison Frankie Kamar Khasientia, Hoping Binong Khasientia, El Hanan Jidanmila Khasientia, Sanjay D. Shirangaro, Jerry Bernard Chalam Khasientia, Nathaniel Phanbo Khasientia, Tan Borlang Marwanyang Khasientia, Banala Shisha Kharbithai Khasientia, Konstantin W. Kharngi Khasientia, Tarian Eliko Ke Marakaro, Samewan Penkaman Kharpuri Khasientia, Chiki Sa M. Maragaro, San Kini Suchiang Khasientia, B1 Lalthan Harangul Darnei Order ST, Phirat Lang Khongsni Khasientia. Tikne gidai ki successful candidate jong ki post JTA. The congratulations igni ki lifeline word ki candidate ki bala successful igni ka post. Tangi ne jong tip khuleshubon.